Hello and welcome back to the Pukasnow crochet channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet these adorable butterflies sitting atop wisteria flowers. Aren't they just lovely? What's more, you can use this design to make keychains, hair clips, hair ties. So many possibilities in one project. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start crocheting right away. Now, I'm going to show you how to crochet the wisteria flower. Make a slip knot. Chain 2. Pull the yarn up a little bit. Turn. Yarn over, insert hook into the second chain. Work 2 incomplete half double crochet. Then, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on your hook. Chain 2. Pull the yarn up a little bit. Turn. Yarn over, insert hook into the second chain. Work 2 incomplete half double crochet. Then, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on your hook. Fold the 2 pieces of yarn together, then slip stitch. Chain 8. Chain 8, then turn and work into the 4th chain from your hook. Work 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 3. Then slip stitch into the same stitch. Chain 3. Work 2 double crochet stitches in the same stitch. Chain 3. Then slip stitch into the same stitch. Repeat this for the remaining 2 petals. Once we have 4 petals, we'll slip stitch into the opposite stitch. Now, chain 8. Repeat the previous steps until you reach your desired length. Here, I'm showing you a length equivalent to 3 flowers. But feel free to adjust this to your preference. Finish with a chain of 5. Now, let's move on to the butterfly. Create a magic ring. Chain 3. Then work 2 double crochet stitches into the ring. Chain 2. Continue by working 3 more double crochet stitches into the ring. Chain 2. Repeat this cluster a total of 7 times. Once you've finished, you should have 8 double crochet clusters. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Cut yarn. Chain 3. Then work 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 2. Then work 3 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Continue by working 3 double crochet stitches into the next space. As you crochet, you can work over the yarn tail to secure it. Chain 2. As you crochet, you can work over the yarn tail to secure it. Repeat the previous cluster all the way to the end of the round. In total, you should have 8 clusters. For round 3, insert your hook into the space, then chain 3. Chain 3. Then work 5 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Chain 3. Then slip stitch back into the base of the chain 3 to create a picot. Continue by working 6 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Chain 2. Then work 1 single crochet in here. Chain 2. Next, we'll work 6 double crochet stitches into the next space. Next, create another picot. Six double crochet stitches in the same stitch. Repeat the previous cluster 6 more times. In total, you'll have 8 clusters. Alright, so when you get to the end here, you're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch of the round. And there you have it. The butterfly is now complete. To make the butterfly's antennae, we'll chain 35. Now, we're going to attach the wisteria flower to the bottom of the butterfly. And that's it. We're all finished with this project. You can now use it as a keychain, attach it to a hair clip to make a beautiful hair accessory, or even use it as a hair tie, however you like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave a comment to motivate me to create more. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.